Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Nomalo. If you are new here and joining me for the first time, please click the subscribe button down below to become part of the family. And if you are a regular subscriber of this channel, thank you for coming back. Thank you for choosing my channel yet again. So today guys, it is Thursday. Yes, it is Thursday, the 6th of April. Happy Easter holidays. Happy Easter holidays to everyone. It is Good Friday tomorrow. I am going home tomorrow. So yeah, I came back from work and I am excited. You know why? Should I do this before or after? I am going to cook. I am going to make creamy spinach. I am gonna show you guys the process of me cooking the creamy spinach. I don't know whether by the time you see this intro, whether you will have seen me cooking the creamy spinach or not. But I decided to start with the intro before I do anything else. And the reason why I am excited, guys, I ordered sneakers from Superbalist, and then me and a couple of friends have an outing on Saturday, the 8th of April, of which is this coming weekend. This coming Saturday, we have an outing, and then I needed something to wear. My white sneakers that I love so much, I think they are worn out now. So I needed something to wear for the outing with my friends on Saturday. And then because it's a bit hot and cold, you never know what to wear, when to wear it. So I decided to order sneakers from Superbalist. But for the whole week I was stressed out, guys, because I am going home for a few days, and I am going home like for the Easter weekend, and I'm gonna stay home for at least 2 or 3 weeks. So I was stressed out because whenever I do online shopping, I use my work address, so it always gets delivered on my work place. And then I'm going home for 3 weeks. And then when I ordered from Superbalist on the 1st of April, they told me that my order will be delivered on the 11th of April, and I am going home tomorrow. It is the 7th of April. So can you see my frustrations? Yes, I was a bit frustrated about that. But on Wednesday, I received a message that my order will be delivered the next day. Was I not happy? Was I not the happiest girl ever in Mhlabeni? I was, and I am, still am. But I am a bit curious as well. I am excited and curious as well. So I am just looking for a knife or something to, because I have received my Superbalist order. It got delivered. Before I do my cooking, I am going to show you what's in the box, or even if I decide to put this intro in the middle of this video, then this box with you. I don't know whether I'm opening it right or not, but it feels like I should open it here. So yeah, says what I ordered. I just hope they fit. I just pray and hope that the things that I ordered, this sneaker that I ordered, is the very same sneaker that I want, and I hope it fits me. Anyways, anywho's, I ordered sneakers Pericardine. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or not, but it's in the size 8. Yes, it's in size 8. I don't know whether you can see this or not, but it's in size 8. And then I have not opened the sneakers. I'm opening them with you guys. Perfection. But I think it's gonna be big. Whoa, these are my sneakers. These are my sneakers. These are my sneakers. I don't know whether you can see them, guys, but they are very cute and comfy inside. But I think size 8 is gonna be big. I think size 8 is going to be big on me because I'm normally a size 7. Yes, every time I order something online, I order it in a size 8 because I am not sure of the cut. So if this is a bit big, I'll just edit somewhere on the video and inform you guys. But looking at it now, I think it's gonna be big, and then I cannot return them. I don't have the time to return them. But can you see how cute they are? Can you see? Can you see how cute they are? These are my cute pericardian sneakers. Those are my cute pericardian sneakers. And now I am wondering, I won't have time to return these, guys, so whatever happens with these, I have to make sure that they are a perfect fit. I have to make sure that I wear them on our outing on Saturday. So yeah, whatever happens. They are a bit soft. I don't know whether I should like that about it or not. But Velemina, guys, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know, or if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I love white sneakers. I love sneakers, but white sneakers are my absolute fave. And the ones that I had, the ones that I used to love, I got them from Mr. Price. They are a bit worn out now, so I want this. I don't want to buy things that I'm not gonna wear, so that's why I buy white, because I know I like white. I would wear white, but I also have another sneaker in another color. That's fine. So these are my pericardian sneaker that I'm gonna wear for our outing on Saturday, and I love it because you can wipe them off if they are dirty. You don't need to wash them every time. And even the last one that I had from Mr. Price, you can easily wipe them off when they are dirty. So that's the kind of sneakers that I like. I don't like sneakers that I have to struggle to wash. I don't like to struggle like that. But anyways, guys, I am going to make creamy spinach for today, and I think I've got a bit of leftovers, so I'm gonna eat that tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go home, and I'm also gonna pack a few things that I might need when I'm at home, because I'm gonna stay there for a while now. So I'm also gonna pack a few things that I'm gonna need. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you the process of me packing everything, but I'm definitely sure I'm gonna show you the process of me cooking my creamy spinach. Yes, I'm gonna show you me, and then I am going to start cooking. I'm gonna take off this uniform and start cooking, and then try to organize my room, because tomorrow I'm not coming back to this room. I'm just going straight home. So I need to organize this room. I need to leave it in a decent position. I need to make sure that this room is clean before I leave. So I am going to show you the process of cooking, and I am going to show you yeah, I'm gonna show you the process of me cooking. I've been talking for a while, so let me just get on with it so you guys can see. But this is the comes up. I am going to cook today my creamy spinach, and I bought it a few days ago. So if I don't cook it today, I won't have time to cook it any day. So let me just cook this today, and then I'll have it for lunch tomorrow before I leave. So my fresh lime creamy spinach from Swell. Yes, guys. So yeah, stay tuned.
When all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when.
Hey guys, hello, hi. I am done cooking, and then I am just gonna finish cooking the rice that I just put on the stove. But I am done cooking my creamy spinach, and then I'm gonna have supper, and then I'm gonna sleep. This is my supper for tonight. It's actually creamy spinach, pap, and chicken feet. This will be my supper. So yeah guys, I hope you liked watching the video. I hope you are subscribed. If you are not and you are watching this part of the video, just make sure that you subscribe. obviously you love the content. So make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video, and then please give the video a thumbs up. I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. I'm just gonna in. Look at how beautiful my plate is. I'm just gonna dig in now, and then I'll see you in my next video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.